Hey, welcome to Hell's Stoke Garage, and today we are changing the oil in a 2014 Dodge Durango Limited.
Why is it limited?
It's just a limited. It's called limited.
Why?
Because it's limited.
Why what?
I don't know. Alright, so today we're changing the oil in a Dodge Durango 2014 Limited 6-cylinder. And for this, we'll be using a WIX WL 110 filter and Valvoline full synthetic 5W20. I believe it's 5.5 quarts. To do this, to drain the oil, you need a 13 millimeter socket, and to change the oil filter from the top, it's a 24 millimeter socket with extension. What you think about that?
We need Oreos too.
And we do have Oreos, and I'm going to eat my Oreo. You go ahead and tell them about what's going on.
I don't really know. I'm here, helping him change the oil somehow.
Aren't you excited about changing the oil?
No.
It's not a glorious thing.
I don't have to change my oil.
You don't know how?
I said I don't have to change my oil.
You don't have to yet.
Well, it just goes to the shop.
Right, but you're going to learn, so you can change it in the future. Because, I'm kind of eating, so keep going. I mean, what this does is, see, we're Hella Stoke Garage, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's not just Hella Stoke Indian motorcycle. It's not Hella Stoke Ford Bronco. A lot of stuff happens in this garage. So, why not capture it? Not everyone's going to like what you put out there, but someone needs to see it. You know what I'm saying? Somebody's like, well, you know, that last video I saw on changing oil on the Dodge Durango wasn't specific enough, right? Or it was too specific because I really don't get into specifics. I kind of joke and work. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, we're just trying to keep a broad range here of things that we show. What you think about that? Let's go. We got the vehicle ready. Got it on the little ramps. Let's get out there and knock this out. So, knock the walls off this bitch. Oh! There it is. We're dark.
Yeah.
Damn.
We're like silhouettes. I didn't see the killer, so I couldn't tell you what he looks like. Did you see him?
You know what I'm saying? Because like whenever you see a murder show and they got the guy to like shade it out, you can't see him.
Yeah.
I got chocolate on my teeth.
Mm.
All right. How's that? All right, let's get busy. Let's get busy, Dizzy. What are we doing first?
I have no clue.
Yes, you do. First thing I'm going to do is loosen
Check
the cap.
the oil.
No, I already know there's enough oil in it. We're changing oil. So I'm going to loosen the cap. I'm going to loosen the cap. I'm just going to remove the cap, okay?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to get my tools over here.
Oh my god, my eyes hurt.
What's up with this cookie?
That one's yours. What's that?
Drain pan.
What does it do?
Holds the old oil.
Why?
Because it's fun like that.
But what if it just fell on the floor?
What do you mean?
What if you just let it, like, get on the floor?
The oil?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that'd be disgusting.
Why? What would happen?
It'd make a mess. But here's the drain plug for the Earl. Right, Kyra?
Right.
It's a 13 millimeter.
Is it not working?
Oh, it's working. So, let's slowly remove this. Make sure we catch this shit. I might hold this pan up a little bit.
Cover these splashes.
I hate the splashage.
Oh. I'm following the driveway. Splattered.
Yeah. Splattered.
Like a lot.
It happened.
There we go. We changed the oil.
Put that drain while we get the filter out.
Maybe you need your little rolly cart thingy.
My creeper?
Yeah.
How does my head look?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get a step ladder. Don't stand on that.
What do you think will happen if I do?
You'll bust your ass.
Would it be funny?
Yes. So, to get to the filter, remove the cap, and then right there is the housing for the filter. 24 millimeter. Just loosen it and let it drain for a little while. So how's your day?
It's been swell.
You excited for work?
Kind of.
It's a nice day. Might have to go for a motorcycle ride later.
That bug?
No, it was a bug.
It's alive!
All right, let me get this filter out.
I haven't done this in a long time. A video like this. That's kind of yucky looking.
So how do you get this out, Kyra?
You pull it out.
You pull it out.
You break it a little. Is there oil in there?
No.
Can I pull out the filter?
Yeah. So what we're gonna do is you gotta explain this here. You have to change the O-ring.
You have to put some fresh oil on it.
My point is, make sure the filter, when you get it, comes with the new O-ring. So don't just go grab it off the shelf. Make sure the O-ring's in the box.
Is the O-ring in this box?
Yes. Because I checked.
You gotta show the people. That's the O-ring. See, because it's the shape of an O.
I wonder if this camera's getting my britches falling down the whole time.
Probably. Does this feel funny?
Yeah, just be careful. You don't get oil on your whole jacket.
What's that green thing?
The filter, pop it in the housing. Sitting in there nice, right?
Mm-hmm. And you stick it in.
I'm going to put a little oil on the O-ring.
I knew half of it.
Snug it up. Alright, so I need to put the drain plug back in. Then
Yep.
we can dump the oil in.
Where do you take the old oil?
I'm going to take it to O'Reilly's and dump it. Or
Okay.
AutoZone. Love for sale. All right, so the drain plug's tight. So I'll just get this 5 quarts in and then we'll check it, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm. Oh, is that when we add like little by little until it's the right height?
Yeah. Okay, so here's the hash marks, and now we're in the hash marks. Okay, so the one thing you got to do once you finish the oil change is you got to reset the oil life light. So, you know, you go through the menu, you press OK, and then you scroll through, and you got to find out where the oil life is. If your Dodge Durango has a push button start, press the start button twice without touching the brake pedal. And then fully depress the accelerator pedal slowly 3 times within 10 seconds. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and it's reset off. So that's changing the oil on a 2014 Dodge Durango Limited. Ain't that correct?
Yeah.
So when you're done, drain your pan into your jugs or another container, or bring your pan to O'Reilly's, AutoZone, wherever, and make sure you recycle that old oil. Don't dump it out in the environment. Don't put it in the trash. Okay? If you like this video, click like and subscribe. And get out there and work on something.
Son of a bitch!
And you gotta say the tagline?
Get out there and work on something.
Oh.